How to swap your Bitcoin like a pro. You've bridged your Bitcoin and arrived on Goat Network. The next step for many users is swapping. That means trading one asset for another. This can help you get stablecoins to manage risk or other assets you'll need for things like lending or staking. On Goat, there are two main ways to swap: OKU and GOATSwap. OKU is simple and non-custodial. You stay in control of your funds the whole time. It lets you trade with zero fees and automatically finds the best prices available. OKU is built from Uniswap v3, the same trusted protocol behind one of the most popular decentralized exchanges. Because it's based on Uni v3, it offers the security and reliability that big traders look for, and it automatically checks with other dexes to find the best prices for your trades. When you swap, prices can change quickly. That's called slippage. Slippage is a difference between the price you expect and the price you actually get by the time your transaction executes. OKU gives you a setting called slippage tolerance, where you can choose the max price change you're okay with. If the price moves beyond that, your trade won't go through. OKU also supports limit orders. That means you can set the price you want to buy or sell at. For example, you can tell OKU to buy Bitcoin only if the price drops to a certain level. If the market hits that price, the trade executes automatically. You don't need to sit there and watch the screen. GOATSwap is another option, designed specifically for Bitcoin DeFi. It supports regular swaps and something called range orders. A market order happens right away, at the current price. A range order is a bit different. You choose a price range where you want to buy or sell. Your trade only happens if the market enters that range. While your order waits, it also provides liquidity. Other users can trade against it, and while that happens, you earn fees. So it's like you're putting your assets to work while you wait for the price you want. Both platforms give you solid control over your assets. Each one offers tools for different trading styles. It depends on how hands-on you want to be. Once you're comfortable swapping, you'll be ready to explore other strategies on Goat, like lending, staking, or restaking. Try it out, see what fits, and take it one step at a time. Let's go!